Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. My menu today is ang ganakot. Eggplant ulit. You need to grill the eggplant and then remove the skin, dip it in the egg, season it with black pepper and salt, and then fry it. But need to grill first the eggplant because you cannot remove the skin of the eggplant if you want to grill it. Eggplant is rich in nutrients, good for heart health, antioxidant, good for digestive system, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties. Good for control blood sugar, and good for diet because it's low calories. Anyway, I just grill this one and remove the skin. Dip it in the egg, season it with black pepper and salt. Just 6 pieces of eggplant, but it's a long and big eggplant. I just put plenty of egg. We still have fried fish yesterday. I just add this eggplant so that until dinner. This is until dinner. Food until dinner. Until dinner. But I cannot leave this because it will burn. If I leave this here. I just open the window so that the smell of the what I cook is gonna go out. Because the smell is nice here on our window. In our neighbor. There is my eggplant. I grill this first before I remove the skin. After remove the skin, dip it in the egg, season it with black pepper and salt. If you want to put a season to make it flavor, ito na magic sarap. Ajinomoto. Some people don't want to use that because they said it's not good for the health. But if your cooking is don't taste, nobody want to eat that. You're just wasting the food. They don't eat it if there is no flavor. They don't like to eat. I use that to flavor the food because if no taste, they don't eat. They just wasting the food only. Anyway, I need to. You see, I'll put the foil in the so that the oven will not very became so dirty. Because the became black because of the eggplant. Every time I cook eggplant, it will the oven will become very dirty. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, give a comment, suggestion, and of course don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. May minuto din ka na cook yummy omelette and plant. Yummy omelette.